Exposing the secret sauce in tech explanations. Ever wondered why some tech reviews are super easy to follow? I'll never look at gadgets the same after learning Soda Pop. Soda Pop makes breaking down any tech topic as fun as opening a cold soda. Here's the recipe. Each letter stands for a step. Subject. What is it? O. Origin. Where did it come from? D. Details. How does it work? A. Advantages. Why is it awesome? P. Problems. What's not so bubbly? O. Other points. Anything else? P. Personal opinion. What do you think? Let's pop open an example. AI smart homes. Subject. Homes that use AI to automate devices. Origin. Born from IoT and AI research in the 2010 details. Think sensors, cloud AI, and mobile control. Advantages. Super convenient and saves energy. Problems, privacy risks, and can be pricey. Other points. Works with smart assistants like Alexa. Personal opinion, awesome, if you manage your privacy. So next time you hear about new tech, just soda pop it. Subscribe for more tech buzz.